Happy Korean Thanksgiving.
What is that?
But you are the guinea pig because
For what?
I don't know what they are.
You don't know what they are and you bought it for me?
They looked really good. So those are savory things,
Savory.
and these are sweet things.
Dang, girl. You are not playing around today, huh?
So that you can share.
Can we try it together?
Yeah, we can do
Let's
that.
try it.
Well,
Let's try it.
the reason you're the guinea pig is I don't do spicy. And
So which
Korea-
one is spicy?
I don't know.
So you want me to try first?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it.
You help
Is my
yourself.
camera on?
I don't know.
I gotta make sure they're on, because sometimes. How are you?
Good.
Good to see you.
How's the start of school going?
Oh, man, it smells great. Oh, let's try this. So you don't know what this is called?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna just. Oh, it's soft. Okay. Mmm. This one has like little jalapeno in it. Có đắng. Thử cái này coi.
There's extra. How? You
How?
want to try?
Try this. Come here.
Come.
Korean food. It's really good. Over here, bro.
Huh? It's
Actually, it's really good, Hal. And I think this is vegetarian.
happy Korean Thanksgiving.
Today?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's what their sign said.
So this one's spicy.
Okay, then it's all yours.
You don't want it?
No.
Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
good,
How's
huh?
it taste?
It's good.
It
Look like what is like a bánh xèo, Vietnamese bánh xèo. It's called bánh xèo.
Want to try this? I don't think
Well,
this
you
is
can-
spicy.
Okay, well, you try it first.
Here.
But I just had lunch too. That's why
Oh.
Man, let them về cho
And these are
ai ăn liền
these
nè.
are savory, and these are sweet.
That's a lot.
it's a little bit
Spicy.
spicy.
Yeah, she doesn't eat
I
spicy.
don't do spice.
Okay, so let's try this one. This one almost same texture as this one though.
Thank you. Thank you. Wait.
You're welcome.
This one has I don't know what it is. Có đắng. Ăn thử cái này coi. This one's not bad. Here, Grace. It's not spicy. Korean food.
Not so bad.
No, not at all.
We have it every day on TV. we try every day on TV.
It came on
Yeah.
from the TV.
It's okay. This one's not bad. It's like egg,
Trứng.
but this one's not spicy.
Mm-mm. Little crispy.
I think the crispy come from this.
Mm.
What is this?
I don't know.
That's good.
Got good flavor.
I'm a lucky nail tech today. Thank you for bringing me this. You know why? I was kind of hungry. I haven't stopped working since now, and then you show up. All right. You want some more?
No.
Okay. We gonna try this?
Okay. They
So this look like tapioca.
they said they were different flavor
The
filling.
rice cake.
Fillings.
Go down here. Try this. This one is. Oh, here. Let me get you water. No. You sit. You sit.
Vậy cái
Mở.
bột hay là dúng. Dúng sâm khạp. Dúng sâm khạp.
Different flavor.
Rice cake. No, rice cake, huh?
No, it's just dry. It's not spicy, right? It's just dry. Huh?
Yeah.
It's just dry. Man, they really wrap this thing up. You know why? Because they don't want it. Oh,
Keep it fresh.
they want to keep it fresh. So
Dry.
So the fillings are supposed to be
Right.
this look like yam. I can tell already.
Cake.
Okay. No, mà cái flavor á là yam.
Rồi tiếng không cho nó theo.
This one's not bad. It's not overly sweet, which is good.
Rồi phía trong là cái
You guys want to try some?
nhân là sesame. Nó nhân là sesame với lại gần giống như cái nhân bánh xoài mà đó.
Mm-hmm. You know, huh?
Gần giống như đó.
You like this one?
So what's inside that one?
It's like
White bean?
I don't know what it is. No, yellow bean.
Oh, okay. What was in his?
I don't know.
Oh.
Want to try the green one then?
No, you try. I told you, you're the guinea pig.
It's really good though.
Okay, I believe you.
But this is too much.
Well, take it home. The kids,
Uh.
kids can try different cultures.
I'm gonna try one more.
Okay.
This one's good. So this remind me of like mochi.
Oh, okay.
It tastes like mochi.
Okay.
Yeah. And it has like this one's sesame seed and peanut.
Oh, okay.
I would let you try this one, but we gotta get going with the service.
Okay.
I wish this was a little bit more soft though. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Should I try this one too?
Yeah, go for it.
Since we at it. I mean, it would be not nice to try all three and then we don't try the other one, right?
That's right.
Cái Facebook của chú bà đang ở Dubai á.
Yeah, they have boxes of
Mm,
stuff over there.
that's crazy.
I went to go see. Usually they have just a few things, but this time they had all these different.
That's a lot.
They have even other ones too. These are the ones that look most interesting.
I'm actually trying to see what this powdery stuff is. Like that one was a little dry. All right. Let's try this one.
They kind of look like
Very
mochi,
soft.
too.
Very soft compared to that one. You know, it has like bean, red bean in it.
Okay.
Thank you. We better eat a lot of this because it's gonna expire. For real.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
See, that way there's enough variety and enough of them the kids
know,
can
you-
try too, and then that way you learn. You go, no, yes, no, yes. Then you know you can say, oh, I tried that.
You are thought.
I-
You are
I-
so thoughtful.
I'm interested or not interested.
You
But
are
this
so
way,
thoughtful.
You know,
You didn't want to try any?
Nope.
Okay, that's. These were actually really good. I like this one, the one with the jalapeno. All right, go ahead.
Where's it? Oh, on the face.
Thank you so much, Grace. I appreciate it. You gotta be her nail tech to get this. If you're the employee, you work with her, you don't get nothing.